Hey there! Are you craving some juicy, flavorful meatballs with an Asian twist? Today I'll show you how to make the most amazing Filipino-style pork meatballs that will blow your mind. These bola-bola are crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with authentic Pinoy flavors. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's make magic happen in the kitchen. Alright, let's dive right into making these delicious Filipino-style pork meatballs, or Pinoy Bola-Bola. First things first, we need to prepare our ingredients. Grab a medium-sized onion and peel it. Once peeled, chop it into fine pieces. You can use a food chopper if you have one, or just a good old knife will do the trick. Next, take a carrot and finely dice it. If you're using garlic, go ahead and mince that too. And if you're adding parmesan cheese, now's the time to grate it. The key here is to get everything nice and small so it mixes well with the pork later on. Now that we have everything prepped, let's mix up our meatball mixture. In a large mixing bowl, combine your ground pork with 1 egg. Add in the chopped onion, diced carrot, and if you're using them, the minced garlic and grated parmesan. To bind everything together, toss in some flour or breadcrumbs. Season it all with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. If you like a bit of extra flavor, a splash of soy sauce can do wonders. Now roll up your sleeves and use your clean hands to mix everything together. You want to make sure all the ingredients are well combined, so don't be shy about getting in there. With our mixture ready, it's time to form the meatballs. Scoop a portion of the meat mixture and roll it between your palms to form a ball about 1½ inches in diameter. This size is perfect for even cooking. Set each meatball aside on a plate or tray as you go. Keep going until you've used up all the mixture. This is a great time to get the kids involved if they're around. They'll love helping out with this part. Next up, we're going to fry these meatballs to golden perfection. Heat about 3 to 4 cups of cooking oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. You'll know the oil is ready when a sprinkle of water sizzles upon contact. Carefully drop the meatballs into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 10 minutes, turning occasionally until they're beautifully golden brown. Once done, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Now let's talk about serving these tasty treats. Serve the meatballs warm and pair them with your favorite dipping sauce. Sweet chili sauce or a simple soy sauce with a squeeze of lime works wonderfully. If you've made a big batch, you can refrigerate or freeze them for later. They're perfect for a quick snack or meal prep. If you're looking for alternative cooking methods, you can also bake or steam these meatballs. For baking, preheat your oven to 400° F, 200° C. Place the meatballs on a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until they're cooked through. If you prefer steaming, place them in a steamer over medium-low heat for the same amount of time. Both methods are great if you're looking to cut down on oil. Enjoy experimenting with these options.